Tell her boy this how the blood clot from. Pay this hand to blocks till the blood clot jam. Then we take away your blood clot can. Take off from blood clot tongue. Then tell her where my blood clot from. Me no roll up without my tongue. Boy this, no question. You know this and to blocks from.
Yeah.
I'm mad respect.
Right.
That is it.
So when you said to me say DJ, but through me I don't have some show in a Kingston. Me don't want to make it look like the people that pay me. And then, you know me I say about you what? I can't come and show the people that I love.
That is it.
Cause you want now, you see me vex, and the business turn me the way, but I'm really a nice person.
Yeah.
But what you know, you see, if you're gonna make the money in that business, you gotta be cold.
Yeah.
I was cheated already, and I was nice. And it was nice. So this time, don't let it. Jump. Berger, come on, Berger. What's up? What's up? Go again.
Hit that plug on that, give a life.
Run like a brown and juvenile, but on the escape. What you gonna? Pen like a life, give a life, go. Pen like a life, give a life,
Pull up. Live and loud.
Going inside the Canadian embassy, I seen an artist by the name of Busy Signal. So I tried to call to him, he never called to me. No problem, right? Just because I said, why are they giving him an award to sing over people's song in the stadium? You understand? He's mad at me. And he's tell people that he's from Kingston, he's from Brownstown, Boxing, I'm from Bamboo, and he's from Brownstown. He's a country boy like me. But I understand when your hair is receding, you get more aggressive in life. You understand? And Busy Signal, remember, we do the song with you for White God Records, and you went and upload the video, and the video get 20 million views, and when we told you that we need some of the money, you said you're not giving us no money, and you take down the video. Busy, you dress like an Asian, and I'm not scared of you. You understand? And your time is coming too. I'm a better performer. I could give jokes, I could dance. What you do is stand on stage and sing. Who's the better man? You understand? I beg your pardon. How did we get here? Everybody want to be here. Jamaica love, I want to live. It's not better than my uncle's song. I'm a born Jamaican. I'm a son of the side. You deserve no certificate. And Mr. Andrew Onis, I want you to call Busy Signal and take back that award and give it to Zach Henry, my uncle.